is your nursery.
Yes, sir. Right now, we left it because we have partitions that I didn't want to call walls.
That is
Yes, I will count the parking. So, yeah. So, this family is all my fault.
Awak filale ini benda biang. Dan bongnya kendoi iba metro pada hal kensi di Shalam di Sabatai di Yomba. Nang to na umdang su haple sakhandiat sta la sulto pa te plan langat haru. But we do not regret. Balay, why we do not regret is because myself and the minister, mga way minister ila siyam kanika state barahoy. May gumo minister education, mga gumo advisor education ila siyam ila iki function ila pejman lej banjungo ban inspect iki school keleng. Imjulap shisha. He has a mission, and that mission is not for his pocket. Am I right? Right? A bit louder. Absolutely. He said, yes, absolutely. It's not for his pocket. Kani kajing le one plea kani school siya ni siya klaw. Napoy hindi surok. Napoy su pum to. Ni kani sila alam siya itip siya. Don ba udon local police. Ubailam ngawang yung pilot yung minister lo maklalanti taba udon local police na siya lang. Ubailam ingi mapunpoy hado kani jaka. Nandre lebam pum labiang. Kamlele. Kadaw kuba fanwar wan bu ekne ka school hamne kate kini kihabarit. Kini kihabarit. Kani gisnong san snong gibadon kaleng saudok ya kani ka school. Gandon ka jingmentoy.
Kia tam ikinong kini aja kani kinang yo jing start ba jing syam thang ba kani ka school kani ka academy kanang kiu chakmat chaprang but kini kihab kibaret kinang yo etaka jing kai panpet ke babiang kamdei tang kata jing start beriu dari gates camp bahkan deru kata jing start mesti bahkan jing start play uplain ke ku yang ibaro uplay sibun uplay siajan.
And we have many guests that need to drive a long way with time limit. So I just want to say one quick thing. Fanwar Academy is in honor of my father, who has given so much for me and done so much for me. And I respect that. I am not a preacher like him. For those of you who don't know, he is a preacher. He still preaches at 93. But education has been something that I hold dear because I struggled with education. I know the challenges. It's not easy. There are many children who don't have the academic skills, but we cannot leave them behind. If we do that as a society, we've done wrong. So the school is dedicated to him, but this building is dedicated to another family who has contributed so much to me personally and to our family. So that's why we have named this building John